All right, check out this awesome piece of machinery that I was given. Look at this. It's just massive. This is a solid thing of steel. This thing weighs about 100 pounds. It is a air operated press. It's got a 5-inch cylinder and it's rated at 100 pounds pressure, so you could theoretically generate, almost a ton of pressure here. I was going to use it to make a hole punch and rivet press. So I took it all apart, cleaned it all up, got it running, re-oiled the cylinder and all that. Of course, I haven't done this. The thing was sitting in a warehouse for like 20 years, not doing anything. So it was all rusted up. But then I decided I would put it back together as it was. It had this crazy setup here. Can you guess what that's for? This is a badge maker. So we got a bunch of badge supplies. And so we just cleaned it all up, put it back together, and now we're making badges. So let me show you how you make a badge. Oh, I also got this cool cutter. So here's the cutter, and press it on here, and here's another. All right, here's another little cutter. Let me see if I can make a badge one-handed. So I just took this Fritos bag, cut this out of it. Goes right there. Oh, wait a minute. Forgot the thing. Hold on. Get one of these things. Alright, so get the backing, put it in there. And we put the Fritos thing on there. And we've got these Mylar. Oh, here's one. These Mylar films that go over it. Just like that. There's a lot of static on here. Let me see. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. Let me see if I can get it under there. Nope. There we go. All right. So you get it under there. I got a foot-operated press down here, or air valve. Ready? There's that. All right. Then we get one of these, which is the back. Some of these things are kind of rusted because they've been sitting in a warehouse for so long. All right, put that in there. Oh, look, the badge disappeared. Put it back over here. And just like that, we have this awesome Fritos badge. Pretty cool, huh? All right, that's about it. I don't know if you need a ton of pressure to make a badge, but we got it. This is just an awesome piece of machinery, isn't it? Okay, I'll do a little add-on and show you a few other badges we've been goofing around with. All right, so you saw me make this Fritos, which actually this turned out really cool. I also have a Chester Cheetah. This came from a bag of Cheetos. So that one turned out. Let's see if that'll focus. That's too close. All right, that one turned out pretty cool. Let's stack them around this Christmas woodland creature here. Okay, this came from a paper bag. And it just fit the badge just right. So that one's pretty cool. That's another paper bag. Here's a little dog. All right, this one's pretty neat. A leaf. So you can do thick stuff as long as it doesn't go around the corner. This is a washer. It didn't work too well. But you can do some thick stuff, but it kind of flattened it out. The press smashed it down. And here's a piece of paper. Another leaf. This is from a super glue box or a packet. Just a piece of cardboard. We just laid it on there and wrapped it around. Well, we put a piece of paper, then the cardboard, then the Mylar, and wrapped it around. Another one there. What do we got? Another leaf. And I don't know what that is. And then here's just a piece of Mylar. This is a badge for someone that really doesn't have an opinion about anything. All right. So let's nestle them around this Christmas scene. And there you go. You can badge it.